Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very easy and delicious traditional red rice, Mexican red rice that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, making the amazing red sauce that we're going to add to our Mexican red rice. Let me tell you, this rice comes out so delicious, so fluffy, and these are the main ingredients. 1 tomato, 1/4 of an onion, 1 garlic clove, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon or tomato bouillon, and 1 cup of water. We're going to blend completely, mix it very well until you make the amazing sauce that's going to give your rice such a delicious and amazing flavor. So here, let's blend it really good, mixing all those amazing flavors. And once this is done, let me show you the texture. It's going to be nice and creamy, nice and thick, but yet not chunky at all. Look at this. Let me show you. This is the sauce that is going to give your Mexican red rice such an amazing flavor. So here I have 1 jalapeño. This is optional. You know that I love spicy food, and I decided to get this jalapeño nice and crispy to add it to the presentation plate. And here I have everything ready. The jalapeño cut in half, my rice, and of course, the amazing sauce. In the pan, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to make sure that I cover all the bottom of the pan before I add my rice. And remember to always rinse your rice through running water. You really want it nice and clean. And here I'm just going to start cooking the rice, getting it nice and golden brown. You decide how golden brown you want it, but I'm going to show you the way I love it, the way I love to make it here at home. Of course, like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes before you see it just like this, nice and golden brown, and you could smell the aroma of the rice throughout your kitchen. Now that you have this, you're going to start by adding the amazing sauce. And remember to always add hot water. To every cup of rice, you're going to add 2 cups of boiling water. This is going to make your rice very fluffy. The granules are going to pull apart, and your rice is going to be perfect. This is step by step, so you know how to prepare your Mexican red rice at home. There's no need to go to the superstore and buy this rice when you could make it at home and enjoy it with your beautiful family. So here, I'm just mixing. I'm going to make sure that I taste it to see if I need to add a little more salt or a little more tomato bouillon. Let's taste it. And you know something? This is just perfect. There's no need to add anything else. Once you see it simmering right on the top, make sure you cover it. You cook it in medium-low heat for about 15 minutes. Every stove is different. It could take around 12 to 15 minutes. While this is cooking, let's prepare our jalapenos. In a saucepan, I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to get it nice and hot. Once it's hot, I'm going to add the jalapeño. I want it nice and crispy from both sides. My mouth is already watering because let me tell you, the jalapenos really give this rice a delicious flavor. And this is going to be what I'm going to add right on the top of the presentation rice plate. So here I'm just cooking away. The aroma of this jalapeno seems like this jalapeno is going to be nice and spicy. On the plate, I have some napkins. I'm going to lay my jalapeno right on the top to take the excessive vegetable oil out. And then let's see how the rice is doing. When you're cooking your rice, there's no need to open your rice, uncover it. No, just leave it there until you see that there's no more liquid. That's when you know your rice is perfectly cooked. And look at this. The rice is done. The color looks amazing. Like I said, the granules pull apart. It's nice and fluffy. And the aroma, let me tell you, amazing. I am ready to prepare the presentation plate. And how do I do that? A lot of people ask me, how do you make those little bowls, their circles, when you do your presentation plates? Well, here it goes. I'm going to add it here. I'm going to pat it really good because this is nice and fluffy. And once you have it to your desired fullness, I'm going to get another plate, put it over, and then voila, this is done. Of course, the decoration of the jalapenos, and I am ready to go. If you got to this part of the video, you like it, you love this Mexican red rice, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing, delicious, very easy Mexican red rice. I showed you a step-by-step so you could prepare it at home and enjoy it with your beautiful family. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Soft, moist. The flavor, amazing. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. If you liked and love this amazing, very traditional Mexican red rice, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing, very traditional Mexican red rice. See you soon. Bye-bye.